Chris here with Voodoo Sidecar. I'm making an activated charcoal cocktail. Love like that. Very bougie, very day 32, hip. It's good for your soul, it's good for your teeth. Activated charcoal draws out impurities. I just want to be pure.
No,
Dude, I freaking smell right now, I really do. It's so hard to I'm making such a serious cocktail, and I'm also like a piece of shit right now. I haven't showered in like 3 days. So for the people who are at home, it's all supposed to be fun. I worked in a bar for years. It was fun, but it's hard to be 100% totally yourself. You wear an apron, you wear a nice shirt, you take a shower, and you do your hair before work. Today I'm not gonna do that. I'm drinking a Coors Light. Let's get started. So I'm doing an activated charcoal margarita up. Up means that I'm going to be doing it in a stem glass, in other words, a coupe. First, I'm going to be doing 2 ounces of a silver tequila. In this case, I'm just using El Jimador. It doesn't actually have to be El Jimador, just a silver tequila. This one's cheap, does the job. Next, I will be doing 1 ounce of triple sec, an orange liqueur. I'm losing my mind. That's okay though, until this booze runs out. Thirdly, I'm going to be using concentrated lime juice. Fresh is better, but I am not using it in this case, and it's going to be 3/4 of an ounce. The final ingredient is going to be activated charcoal. It doesn't do shit in cocktails, except make them look cool, and you get a subtle smoky flavor to it. Really, it just looks cool, makes the drink black, and it gives it a subtle smoky flavor. A lot of bartenders will say that has quite a few medicinal properties, but in a cocktail it actually really does not. Next, throw ice in and shake. My hands, my house. Shake for about 10 seconds. Put some citrus over the rim of your glass. Have a pre-salted rim coupe glass, so your ice isn't sitting too long. Double strain with the Hawthorne strainer. Lastly, cut yourself a nice lime wheel as a garnish. Cheers.